Hello, hello, and welcome from foggy and rainy Dayton, Ohio. New airport added to the list. Flying back home to Atlanta today on a 717. It is just under an hour before we start boarding, and I want to grab a bite to eat. I figured this airport is not that busy as it is a very empty flight, so that's why I arrived at the time I did. Figure pre-check's been pretty short. Honestly, Dayton's city and like airport size kind of reminds me of a small town like Columbia, South Carolina, or Chattanooga, Tennessee. Very much gives that vibe. Let's see what this airport looks like on the inside. I have not flown a 717 in like 10 years. All right, let's see how long pre-check takes. Pre-check surprisingly took 9 minutes despite how empty it was. Everyone's been in a good mood, dude. From the rental car center to the TSA agents, literally everyone's so happy right now. It's probably because this airport's not busy. Yeah, we're going to B gates. That's what Delta is. Bro, what the hell? I had no idea we were ground level. That's insane. It's a very interesting layout. This carpet reminds me of BWI. Yeah, B14 is where we're at. Outdated, but not too rusty. Gets the job done, that's for sure.
If I'm the active U.S. military, we appreciate your service.
Empty flight today. Updated these. Nice.
Before you depart, please direct your attention to the flight attendants for a demonstration of the safety features of our 717 aircraft. Your seatbelt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the metal pivots to the buckle, tied by pulling on the straps as well as tied across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Anytime the seatbelt sign is on, even if the sign is off, seatbelt fasten in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all customers to comply with crew instructions, such as flashes and lighted information signs. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless products, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. And federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. This aircraft has two forward doors, one on each side. Forward exits of the wings and additional exits at the back. The forward doors are equipped with detachable flags that can be used for flotation. Once again, this aircraft has two forward doors, one on each side. Forward exits over the wings, additional exit at the back. All exits.
have on the 717. The soap smells like coconut. Very nice, very nice. Thank you. Golden Green, Kentucky.
Welcome to Atlanta, where the local time is 7:52. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry items stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful at opening overhead bins to avoid injuries from items that may have shifted during flight, and please ensure you have all of your personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Fly Delta app for more important baggage and connected information. For customers requesting a wheelchair on a